Namaste everyone. My name is Chandravadana Koneru and I'm in 6th grade. I go to the Maria Montessori Center in Farmington Hills, Michigan. During the coronavirus lockdown, my teacher, Mrs. Chiffon, assigned me a homework, and it was about the heart. You either had to make a model or a drawing of the heart. I chose to make a model, and this is the model of my heart. People say that the heart is approximately the size of your fist. So I measured my fist and made a heart, so this is approximately the size of my heart. You can choose to make the heart very big or very small, but you have to make sure that the veins and arteries are appropriate to the size of your heart. In this video, I will tell you how to make the heart and what the heart functions. The blue ones are the veins and the red ones are the arteries. This is the heart. First, to make the heart, you will need a red balloon, some tape, blue straws, red straws, or pink straws. I use pink straws to make it different from the heart. You will also need a blue marker and a red marker. First, you will have to blow up the balloon and make a knot and tape it on the back so the knot does not pop up. Then, with the blue straws, you have to cut them into little veins. Veins have valves and they carry the deoxygenated blood back to the heart, and then the arteries are in red color. They carry the blood away from the heart, which is the oxygenated blood. The veins have valves. A good way to remember them is veins have valves, VV. A good way to remember arteries are arteries take blood away, AA. And so after you do that, you have to cut the blue straws into little veins and stick them to the heart with tape. You have to do the same thing with the red straws or pink straws and tape them together with the blue ones. And remember that the aorta is in the middle and is in red color. It is divided into 3 parts. Now, after you finish doing that, with the blue marker, you have to draw little veins onto the balloon, if you can see. And then with the red marker, you can draw arteries on the heart too. After you finish doing that, your heart is ready. Now, let's go to the function of the heart. First, you have to know that the heart is divided into 4 parts: the right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, and left ventricle. In between the 2 sides, there is a little thick piece of muscle called the septum. This whole process starts off at the right atrium. The deoxygenated blood starts off at the right atrium and goes to the right ventricle through the tricuspid valve. From the right ventricle, it goes through the pulmonary valve into the lungs. Since it's deoxygenated, you know that lungs have oxygen. So the deoxygenated blood gets the oxygen from the lungs and gets oxygenated. Imagine that these are the lungs. And then from the lungs, it travels through the pulmonary veins back into the heart and it enters the left atrium. From the left atrium, it goes into the left ventricle through the mitral valve. From the left ventricle, it goes to the aorta through the aortic valve. From the aorta, from the 3 different ways, it gets spread out through the whole body. See how hard your heart needs to work? Well, I hope you enjoyed and learned something watching this video. See you in my next video. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Bye!